Guys, we're in the Amazon. We just arrived, we made it.
Hi guys, welcome to Manaus.
Welcome to Manaus, welcome to the Amazon. Like, this is gonna be our home for the next few days. This is so exciting. We're all here, we're waiting for our luggages, or I don't know if we're supposed to be going in the boat already, but how are we doing? Excited?
We're excited.
We're so excited. Guys, there's dolphins. Like, we're not even into the river and there's already dolphins there. Please. Oh, there!
Oh, wow.
Over there. Hey. Okay, hi vlog. Everyone say hi. Hi. So vlog, this is our first morning in the boat. We arrived yesterday. We slept in the hammocks. It was a good night. Did you sleep good, Kasaina? Yes. No? She's an outlier. People in general slept well. And the food has been amazing. Like, guys, we're off the boat, and our first adventure is to go. What?
No, I was saying I'm gonna fall back.
Our first adventure is to go see the natives. Yes, exactly.
I'm actually excited.
We're so excited. We just saw some pink dolphins, and now we're walking. But like the heat,
It's not
Opa, no, not cute at all. It's so warm. Like the sun, it's killer sun. Ask Ronan.
Very, very hot.
Very.
I'm not gonna lie. Very, very hot.
That's what my phone does. I'm getting a headache. Oh, bye.
¡Bravo!
Put a little bit of soap and it goes away. Ustedes que lo hacen seguido.
It looks beautiful. Hola, guapo.
Su pintura significa es protección que sirve para que usted no le pase nada. Estamos en Amazonía,
Sí.
entonces hay peligros espirituales y entonces la pintura lo protege.
Okay, vlog. The experience has finished. We danced around the place with the guys. We shopped a little. I bought like this little thingy.
I want that video, by the way.
Yes, I'm gonna send the videos. And it was so fun. And then I got this face paint, which I love. Okay, vlog. Vlog, this is the outfit of the day. I feel like I look like a whole explorer, like a whole tourist, and we're gonna go see piranhas and crocodiles at night. It's scary. But yes, we're gonna be going now. And you, Iris? What are you wearing on today? Are you ready?
I'm so ready.
Hey, vlog! Guys, so right now where are we going, please?
We are going piranha fishing, and we're gonna go see some cool animals if we can.
Yes, at night we're going to see caimans,
Yeah.
and we're all super hyped about it.
No, they're up with the boards. Ow, this hat is too long. Oh, you look so pretty. Sasha, would you like a picture of these stairs?
Like, I mean,
I don't know, that's how you're supposed to. Just kidding.
Just
for the
kidding,
piranhas.
just kidding.
Looks
Got
like a winner
it.
right there.
Hey.
I would eat that if I was a piranha. There.
Hey, who caught one? Yes.
I did. Look it, I'm gonna kiss it. Watch me kiss the piranha.
Miss V's got another
Miss B's
one.
got a second one, a red piranha this time.
Yes.
What?
It's recording. Okay, look guys, okay. So the bait is there. You shouldn't take tips from me because I've only caught one. Two poisonous. And then you like just throw. No, he's doing tips. And just wait. Yes.
Are you 11?
And
How much more bait?
Some more bait as well this side.
oh. Why you laughing?
Did you guys see that he lifted it up and nothing on that? Whoa, he caught a piranha. You're on video.
What? Again.
I'm not. Okay, guys, look.
Vlog, fue un fail para mí. Neta,
sí agarraste, no agarraste pirañas, pero agarraste los peligrosos.
agarré
No mames.
tres peligrosos
Nada que ver
y agarré como tres pirañas que no se agarraron bien, las salté. Oh, a piraña got out of the water. Paula went crazy, went God mode, ate. This man didn't even try. And Eddie, how many?
I'm 1 down, 7.
7. And it's a race, so it's either Paula or Eddie that will win. Amani, how many? Hey! Iker with 0. Hey! Tende with -1. And the other boat, the people from the other boat, they were so bad. Like,
So bad, okay?
they only got like
How
6
literally
and
carried.
8.
I dropped my phone
she
in
did.
here. Through the slats.
There's water
and
there.
it survived.
Oh, look at him.
That's the last place.
Okay, guys, so right now what are we doing?
You're looking for caimans.
We're caiman.
We're searching for their eyes to flashback.
Yes. So that's what we're doing, and we still have like an hour ride to go back to the boat.
Yeah, and
We've
it's
been just like,
pitch black outside.
it's pitch black.
And
like,
a fish jumped into the boat.
yeah,
So everything's trying to hitch a ride with us.
yeah. But like, look, Like I have the flash on and everything, and you cannot really see anything.
Ay, no me jodas.
Quem quer tirar uma foto com ele?
Yo, ew.
Vamos começar daqui pra lá.
To take pictures with it.
Hold the neck.
I don't want to hold it. I don't want to.
Here.
Shit.
Wait.
Eddie, ¿qué?
Oh my god.
Vou pra aí.
Opa, qué bello. Guys, holding it is so weird. Like it's like a poor guy. He's like very heavy and it's very muscular. Get away from me. I swallowed a mosquito. Ay, oh my god, get the fuck. It scares me. This.
Wait.
Bye. Oh, desapareció.
I hope it's still alive.
Now I feel like I would have went from the front.
How did they get it? The fish are jumping in a fucking boat.
Hi vlog. Okay, so vlog, it's 5 a.m.
We're doing
5 something in
a tour in the jungle to see.
Yes.
Hear how it
We're
goes up.
gonna go and just listen to it waking up. Like right now you can like listen to the howling monkeys
The howling monkeys are terrible.
very far
There's one
away.
right here.
Oh, tonight was a rough night in my opinion.
Yeah.
It was actually
It was
so
worse than
bad.
yesterday. It was
Yesterday was so good. Today was
sweating
not.
so much.
I was so hot. Like I've never been this hot in my life.
sweating so much.
But you were also like in your, like you were fully covered.
Yeah,
Iris.
literally, it was so bad. Actually, it was so bad because I was like squished between you two. And I was like, what do I do?
No,
I
actually,
think we need to take down the camera.
These hours like cooler, bro. I had the best night of sleep ever.
I had the best life.
Shut up.
Fuck
I
off.
was gonna bed ever. I think.
Guys, I feel so tired. Like, it actually is insane how tired I am feeling right now. We are in the Amazon.
Really small one. Oh my god. Wait, please tell me you see this. Do you see it? Where? In the middle. Back there. They're even smaller.
Yo, pass bananas.
No, please can you pass one? Thanks. I think you have to unpeel it, guys.
Guys, vlog, there's a howler monkey over there. We're gonna call him.
Not sure which one is right.
Hey vlog, beach day in the Amazon. I actually never would have thought that I would have a beach day in the Amazon River. Like crazy. Say hi, Eddie. We're here with Mr. Eddie. Ah. So good.
So good.
Like, this is what life is about, guys. Just quit school, don't study, just come to the Amazon River. That's where it's at, you know? Yes, and like these are some people from here. They gave us the watermelon. They're so nice. Look, we're in here with the sirens. We have Siren Tendi, Siren Amani, and Siren Samkieta. I almost killed Eddie. Sorry, Eddie. Passion fruit taste test.
One right here. Oh, it touched my leg. Oh,
Food for today. Hey, obrigado. Everything looks so good. Look at the fish over there. What? Woo.
It looks so good.
Oh, that wanna is good. Okay, vlog. So it's been a very hot day today. I'm sweating. My back, it's tan. I don't know if you can see. And right now we're eating food, which looks amazing. How is it?
It looks so good.
Hola vlog, ¿qué pasa? No manches, no sé qué está pasando hoy. Nos despertamos a las 5, ahorita son las 2. Siento que ya viví 10 días. Es el segundo día del Amazonas. Ahorita estoy aburrido. Están viendo Mamma Mía, yo me acabo de despertar de una siesta. Y ya no sé qué hacer, hace mucho calor, mucho así. Sí, tengo sueño. Quiero ir a nadar, a refrescarme. Y vean, si estoy medio quemadito de acá. Hey vlog, so we just had a full beach day. We're at the beach, look there. Yes, we have been there all day.
Beautiful, the sun was shining.
Yes, but it was like, the sun was shining.
It was like 35 degrees.
It was so hot, and it has been so hot all day. Finally, it's a little chiller. And it looks like it's gonna rain. So today we're gonna be doing a boat tour. So we'll begin following Natashita.
So here, the very front of our boat.
Exactly.
This is where the captain guides us and steers us from. And if we follow this way, you know, safety first, life.
Yes, mates.
Some of our scholars are staying downstairs because we are a group of 25, so this is their camera.
Say hi, Saro. He's our guide. Come visit him. Yes.
Yeah.
Hey.
So this is where we serve our drinks during meals and like keep our stuff for showering. And then this is where the two lovely ladies serve us our spread, okay? They usually give us like rice, beans, meat, fish, and the food is delicious.
And
Then
yes,
is
look,
our
this is the bathroom.
and
there
shower.
we poop and there we shower.
And there's 3 bathrooms. And then here is our kitchen with a view.
Let me just show you the kitchen, so clean, full of vegetables, and with the nicest view of the Amazon. And then, follow me. Oh, we're going upstairs now. Up here, this is like a little shore thing happening. We usually come here to have like, eat our food all together. When there's a lot of sun, we don't eat here. We look for the shadow, but like when there's not a lot of sun, we eat here all together and we chat and play stuff. And that's Ronan capturing
Say
the
hi,
views.
Ronan.
Yes, and on this side we have like where the magic happens.
Where the magic.
That's Claudia. Say hi, Claudia. And that's where we all sleep, guys. I'm gonna show you my hammock. Be careful, cameraman.
Yes. It's a whole journey to reach your hammock.
Yes, it's a whole journey, guys. So we come this way, and this is my pretty little hammock.
Beautiful.
I have all of my stuff down there, some other stuff, and we just like sleep here. And it's so crazy. We put like these mosquito things on top just to avoid like the mosquitoes. Okay, and then if you follow me, there's like our second hangout spot, which is back here, and we actually eat here more because there's shadow always. Yes. Say hi everyone to the vlog. Say hi. No one saying hi. Fuck you all.
Hello.
We should show
Okay.
them the sun.
Yes, and yes, okay, we'll show you the sunset one more time, but that's our lovely boat. One last time before we go. Chicos, fiesta amazónica.
I love you, como se ve el tatu, cuando capoteamos en la noche del BMW. Nadie tiene enamorada porque solamente yo soy el dueño de ese tú. I love you, vámonos pa'.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! How many spins?
I don't know why the heat makes me so hungry.
Vlog.
I don't know if I should.
I think we're all having a heat stroke.
Sí.
We took the
Okay, I feel like I should put it on.
Nos fuimos en lancha.
Cool off a little bit more, but
But like the sun was too much to handle. Like I swear, I'm gonna.
No.
Like I don't think I've sweat like this before.
Jackie. Because the way I told her, I haven't been able to see for 4 days. She's like, oh, what can I do?
Where are we entering Turkey?
where malaria was created.
Anaconda. ¿Cómo vamos, Paulita?
O sea, neta, yo necesito estar en París en este segundo. O sea, creo que no entienden que estoy a 2 de empezar a llorar. Ya no quiero estar aquí. Ya acabé con el puto Amazonas. Estoy harta, carajo.
Sometimes you put your hands in the glove. See?
I've seen that.
Yeah, that I did it. See? Well, the glove has about 20 ends, 25 ends. One, like this sting you, is a 24 hours of pain. Maybe in aviation they can kill you. Only one, and the big bubble is coming from the river, from the deep water. I imagine, oh my God, and they're gonna eat me now. I have just a small machete, and then my hand was, and then paddling, making noise, of course, I'm deep inside. I was in the boat, I was alone. That's the problem, I was alone.
Más o menos. Trabájale, bebé.
So yummy.
Beautiful boy who just climbed the palm tree to get this for us.
And it's what? Sorry again.
Acai berries.
Hey.
Here.
Oh, the brother.
Crazy.
His brother.
No, because I guess.
Use your toes.
You're the squirrel monkey.
Is this turning you on?
I'm trying for it. It's harder than he thought.
Careful, okay. Then he has to slide down.
You have the survival skills to make it in the
No, yes. One more.
I literally have no. See?
Yeah, like this.
Oh!
Ah.
Oh.
Oh.
Ok, hola vlog. Ahorita es la mañana, son como las 7, creo. Y vamos a hacer un hike en la jungla. Son 3 horas y media de hike. Entonces vamos a estar ahí dándolo todo. Y creo que al rato vamos a nadar con delfines. Entonces pues, vamos.
Vamos.
I was a fan, you think?
Yeah, I'm yeah.
Say hi, Noah. Look, guys. Saru told us about some palm trees, like that one. It has like needles coming out of it. Wait, look at that.
Just the fruit,
Oh, I've never seen flint and steel work so well.
Yes. Then you put him there. Yeah, like this and go.
right? Un poco sobre el...
But we're about to walk.
That's a bed.
Look, guys, there are bullet ants.
That's
here.
one ant. What?
Look, the blog.
Isn't it?
Holy shit, what is that?
Look at that.
Remember, look at it.
They're huge.
This glove is about a 2.
There's a snake. Oh, that's insane.
I can't believe that I said that.
Okay, yes.
This is the ultimate taste
Wow.
test. Oh.
The ultimate taste. Wow. So far the forest is incredible. How has the forest been? Queen of the
Amazing. We just drank, obviously.
We drank from a water vine.
From a tree.
Yes. We saw a snake. We saw bullets.
The snake was called Sukurukuru, and it can kill you in 1 hour after it bites you.
We saw bullet ants.
Bullet ant.
We made a fire.
Psychedelic pain and it lasts for 24 hours, and there's
And
rituals where you put your hands.
Saru,
the
our
gloves
guide,
on.
put like 25 of them in gloves, and that's like a ritual to become a man, which is insane. Like I would
He's done
never
it
do
3
that.
times, and people in his tribe have done it 15 times.
Yeah, like insane. And like so far it's amazing. Like a brilliant day in the forest. Let's go, Iker.
You know what I'm gonna say? You know what I'm gonna say?
What's that?
You know what I'm gonna say? If you don't have any take a shower.
No, I'm not. What if I bang into the tree?
No way. Jump off that.
De ahí.
I'm gonna climb first if you guys push me.
Wait, why did it break?
Or like monkey.
I wanna try.
Vlog. It's raining in the rainforest.
It feels weird too.
Give the boat for the water.
I'm so overprotective.
As we I can see the target in your eye.
It's my water.
I have no idea.
That's right. Are we also blowing?
Hey! That was it.
Aim a bit
Higher, 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 higher.
Yes.
Oh!
Ah, não. Ela se depois.
Wait.
No.
Guys, we are lost in the Amazon
3
River.
hours and we don't know where we're going.
No, that's a lie. But like some of our people got lost with Saru, and we're with Caillou, which is another of the guides that was introduced to us today. And right now we're like just walking to see if we meet them somewhere, I guess. And Ronan, what happened to you? So
Oh yeah, I got a big spike through my
shoe.
through my shoe.
Like it was like a big spike, and he got hurt, but it's all good. I hope we're almost there. I'm super hungry, and I wanna take a nap. And my right knee low-key hurts a little, so yeah. Anyway, bye vlog.
Boto.
And then we can.
Shaking his hand.
Magashu is coming for you. Magashu is coming. It's coming. Oh wow.
There's another one.
Look at that.
I don't know what that dog is going.
Come on. Be careful of that.
Wow.
Hey vlog.
Classic.
Yeah, so we're constructing necklaces. I've gone for the black, white, and brown with a little sparkle.
You're not gonna be famous again, bro.
I am going for a red and white vibe,
Like both words.
which is different to what I usually go for, as you can see by my
I swear, Poland people
bracelets.
don't
They're
exist.
green and blue.
But that's what the Amazon does to you. It makes
Yeah,
you
like no one is going to Poland.
Like this is another level.
Yeah.
Guys, I hate doing bracelets. Like color palettes are not my thing, and it gets me so
I
stressed.
didn't expect this.
Oh, maybe I make this for my mom.
Aww.
Is there yellows?
I think you should make it for your mom, Chaco.
Changing plans. Like I have a lot of beads, but I think I'm just gonna do a green one. I think it looks better. Like just like these. Yeah, that's my type. Okay, vlog. This is how it's going. I put like this thing in the middle, and this is the color thing I used. And you, James? James is doing better than me so far. Like,
No.
he's more advanced.
This is from me mama.
I know. And I'll keep going.
I'm being forced. Actually, we just made our own bracelets.
Yes, show up.
The Amazon. This is for me or my mama. I'm so excited. Maybe I'll give it to my mama. Just leave it. And this is for my brother.
Look, this is the final product, guys. I think it looks nice. Hey vlog. So we're gonna go sleep in the Amazon forest today. So we're taking our stuff. We have to take our hammocks because we're sleeping in the hammocks in the middle of the forest. I feel like it's gonna be so fun and a crazy adventure. Oh, here's someone that's super hyped.
Very excited.
Are you ready? Outfit check. Hey.
Mosquitoes cannot get to me.
This girl didn't want it to come with. Yes, but I'm convincing her. I've convinced her to
I feel
come.
like it's exciting to say I've slept in the Amazon rainforest, but then the actual part of sleeping is scary.
The boat looks super empty without like the hammocks. Like, look at that.
Yeah.
So empty. Are you ready, Jorge?
Of course I am. Jorge.
Oh.
Ready to go, Yuiku.
I'm so ready as well.
I'm now gonna make you subjects.
Bye.
Yeah, that's actually a good idea. See if they get as stuck as we did. I have no idea where we are. But we are going to be camping in this luxurious
Place.
jungle. Hopefully glamping, but I don't think so. But welcome to the humble abode for the next night and a half, maybe.
Are you ready?
Always and forever, 24/7 prepared.
Oh,
Yes.
okay. Are you ready, Miss Scared Girl?
I am too scared. The ground is very wet, but I think it's just
It is so wet.
we're gonna set up our home.
Hey, how are you?
Wait, did bees walk faster? Team with someone, that's it.
Yes, we did. Okay, I'm going to take one.
You shouldn't have. They actually should have. No. They have a better concept. No, they're not.
Stop killing people.
Sorry.
Wait, can we not get people?
Really near.
No.
Has to be over. Oh, they have a red thing then.
Look at the food in the Amazon. We got some rice, farofa, and a full of... what was that? No. And the barbecue. Wait.
Spiders eat mosquitoes.
Oh.
Te quiero.
Guys, quick, because I need to.
Guys, this is so fucking good. Like, I love farofa and the chicken. God, it's amazing. And this sausage, I don't know what the fuck it is, but it's so good. Okay, vlog, we're going on a hike. Shout out to my light woman. That's Beast, by the way. Vlog, we're on the hike right now. We have to be super quiet.
So we don't attract jaguars.
Look.
Okay, fine. These.
Vlog, vamos regresando de la noche en la selva y la verdad estuvo muy cool. En la noche fuimos a la selva, escuchamos todos los sonidos. No dormí tan bien porque me dio frío, pero me encantó esta experiencia. La recomendaría a todo el mundo. Y ahorita vamos de regreso al barco a desayunar y ya nos vamos a Manaus y se acabó esto.
Looking for the